Hey guys, it's Full Lopez here, back with another video. So I'm very excited for this video, and I'm very excited for today. So today is the first day of April, and the quarter 2 has officially started. Okay, so we are under the races, and I do believe that April will be a huge month for cryptocurrencies. Look at the pumps that already happened pre-April. People are hyping up April real good because if you have watched my previous videos, I have stated that I showed you the diagram where you can see that Bitcoin has performed, or not Bitcoin, but Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies has performed um, very good on April. So 6 out of 8 times cryptocurrencies have had a green month on April. So people are generally very bullish and how things are playing out. Institutional investors coming, retail investors hyping up, and there's just new people coming into the cryptocurrencies uh, um, countries, inflation rate starting to rise up, bringing more money, and all this stuff will add up. So definitely cryptocurrencies are currently in the perfect storm, and as what it represents is a bull run. So we have had an insane bull run so far, but I do believe that it's like a 50% done, or it hasn't like basically even started yet, because the inflation, the way so United States has printed 35 of the total supply of USD in the last 10 months, which means that the purchasing power of USD has gone lower, which means that even though Bitcoin is $58,000, it's the same purchasing power of the dollar as it was in the 2017 bull run when Bitcoin was $20,000. So with that being said, Bitcoin is still in the same position that it was in 2017, even though the price looks bigger, but that's just inflation. Okay, a lot of people don't know that, a lot of people don't understand it. I don't know if you don't understand it or know it, but now I told you it, and you definitely should research that. It's very interesting. But anyway, so HEX. In this video we're going to look out the coin HEX. Okay, so I have heard about this coin a couple of times. I even did some research back in 2020 for this coin, and like you can see, it has been on since 2019, and it has had insane run up. And if you have watched my like YouTube channel, I have like 700 videos at this point. Like I have so many videos, and some videos people comment like, hey Wolf, if you have bought this coin that you are doing review on, and you are doing for or tutorial on how to buy, you would make so much, you would have made so much money. And yeah, I understand that saying, but and yeah, it's of course it's true, but what I first want to share with you guys is a lot of people don't talk about it. They just hype the coins and all that stuff, but I'm here to share value with you. So if you're with me here, subscribe right now. But anyway, so why I do these videos, because I want to educate myself, and I also want to share some value, and I also want to document my cryptocurrency journey as I go through this jungle. It's a I love this. So anyway, when it comes to investing, I'm not here to just gamble. Well, with cryptocurrencies at this point, I think several of them are like gambles, because there's not even a working product, and we don't know the regulatory things yet. So it's very much like a gamble at this point. But I do like to approach it like not a gamble. Okay, so I look like look at what the company is doing, like look at the companies and the scheme of things. And this is a circle of competence. So if the cryptocurrency is not in the circle of competence, I'm not going to bother with it, okay, because I just don't have the edge over anybody else. So think about it this way: so if you have been mining gold for last 20 years in the mines, like you self have mined the gold, you know a lot about gold than average person, like a lot. So you have an edge over gold because you know more about gold market pricing, where it's going, where people are buying it, and such and such. Okay, so that's an edge. And if you don't have that kind of edge on the cryptocurrency markets, it's a competition, guys. It is not that we are all going here and getting rich. It is not that, because if you look at markets are buying and selling. Somebody is winning and somebody is losing. That's what markets are. Okay, so it's a competition, guys. This is competition here, right here. Okay, and yeah, currently the bull market seems like it's like a bull market. Basically, it's market is throwing money at you, because everything is going up, but that's just a part of the cycle. And remember, it moves in cycles. I just want to quickly shade it out, but let's look at HEX here. So hex.com, HEX takes average 40% interest a year. Okay, so this is that kind of projects, by the way. Yeah, I'm doing at the same time like a review and price prediction for this coin. So you can buy it on Uniswap, Hotbit, Bitmart, HitBTC, and Buybox. And so launched on the December 2, 2019 by Richard Hard and team. Let's check out who is Richard Hard and team. Interesting. So it's the bigger team. It's 2 people. HEX is the first certificate of deposit on the blockchain. Essentially, time deposits that gain interest. HEX is an ERC20 token that runs over the Ethereum network. Yeah, I have seen this before. And at that point, I was like, I do believe that it was this project. At that point, I was like, yeah, it's a scam. It was, the website was horrible. I see that they have rebranded this, or this could be a whole different project. I remember, but I think that it was called HEX or something like HEX, something like this. But I'm not quite sure if this is the same project. I do believe that it's the same project, but let's look at here. It's totally different. The last site was just like I might have to pull up that. I think that I did some kind of review about that. I'm not quite sure. Maybe not, but... So anyway, so hex.com, HEX takes average 40% interest in a year. First blockchain certificates of deep deposit. High interest, no minimum decentralized design. Over 250,000 values own HEX so far. So yeah, it was something like you could stake and you could get outrageous big gains or something like that. Okay, so here's the YouTube. So 52,000 subscribers. Richard Hard. It's definitely branding here. So this is the guy. Let's look at their, like, what's the trending videos here. We can see it here. So okay, so here's Richard is one of those innovators who is looking at advanced research. Let's look at this HEX Elite. Yeah, this is the same project, I do believe. So this was 4 months ago. So how Richard Herdrick and deceived people invested in HEX. HEX had an event called Big Payday. All the HEX available BTC are an after the day was given out since most BTC people didn't claim their HEX. They get BTD boom boom. I'm going to. This token is literally a wash traded scam that promptly traded on a scam exchange in Cayman Islands. I say this every time anyone mentions HEX. Yes, it's a Uniswap volume. It has Uniswap volume, which is basically Richard Hart playing with his own stack. It was never legitimate. It never had any sort of value. It never had any trading volume. Look at the bands in the link above. Again, people didn't care and just wanted quick, easy money. Felt I'd add, if your coin has an event literally called Big Payday, you're probably in a scam. Yeah, yeah, sure, yeah. This is the same project. I was like, yeah, this is exactly what I was when I looked at it. It was like it has this kind of stuff. I was like, yeah, this is a scam. HEX is a scam. I don't know how everyone here can't explain what HEX is, what HEX does, and it is gonna ignore what you wait. Hexicans will pass by and say, okay. But easy scam the profit from all it. If you're not supposed to scam whenever you get things waiting for you, cash out. After activity and trading activities done on Uniswap, Richard himself advises people, basically all of his streams, not to use Bitcoin to avoid the counterparty risk. Boom, boom, boom. So okay, so that's that. Let's look at the channel here. Let's look at like our newest video. Yes, this guy gets a lot of views, but then any kind of crypto content gets a lot of views. So people like it. So go to HEX now. Seriously, it will change your life. Timestamp. Wow, this is all huge timestamps. Period. Awesome. I love this man. So is he a good speaker or what? So the future of investing is here. Derivatives of deposits are common investment tools managed by banks. These are used by creating a market value of trillions of dollars. HEX has interest rates, removing bank fees, and turn it into by locking any amount of HEX you choose for a period of time. And you stake your deposit, gain interest every single day. APS is over 40%. Average API for a bank is less than 2%. No central entity. And no bonus available to anyone besides users who stake the a similar stakes. High interest investment tool HEX makes you the bank. Yeah, but what is the use case of this token? Rate of deposits are worth trillion, CDs are worth. HEX removes middleman. HEX has low inflation. HEX share price went from follows these steps. HEX Reddit page. Richard Hard, HEX charts. What? HEX charts? Useful sites, HEX Viz. Like, can you stake other coins too, or? So testimonials are here. Trading video introductions, frequently asked questions. 3,100 people. Best stake option. Boom, boom, boom. Why are you launching this? Bitcoin started. Let's look at safety. Okay, so here's more private keys. Hex.con API tweeted. Let's see who follow this guy. I wouldn't deck following Alcabas 1-inch exchange and boom. This looks very interesting. So do they have rebranded or what? So Morrison shield his blind berries yet again. Well, really insane. Anyone would buy anything shield of the biggest name BitConnect shilling. BitConnect. How is this guy not in jail at least out of business? So much beer about scamming because I don't like it. And who got cheated out on their money? Huh. Hex, what's up? Sound familiar? They had to be financial independent. So straight up. Straight up. Okay, so this is okay. I'm not going to touch this shit, and no way. I'm just not going even to do any more research. I don't like bother my time with this. This definitely I just don't. I like it was back then. It was if it's built on these kind of foundations, like no, thank you. This is the review. I'm not going to. I think that this is a scam, and I'm not touching it with any sticks. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Yeah, it's just my opinion, but I do that of course people have made a lot of money with this, but I'm not touching on this one. Okay, so let's dodge the bullet, guys. So let's go. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and subscribe for daily videos, and see you in the next one, guys. And be careful out there. Okay, there's a lot of random coins out there.